Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to connect Notion to Google Calendar. So for this you're gonna need to use a third-party app like Bardeen or Zapier to create some automation. So basically these are free softwares. Some of them are free of course, depending on what you use. I use Bardeen.ai, and after you create your account here on Bardeen you'll have to click on this plus button. After that you'll have go on and search for Notion. And then here, as you can see, you have different options. So as you can see, you have create a Notion database, create Notion page, create Notion database, or other stuff. And what you can do, you can select it. And after that, you'll have to search for Google Calendar. Here, I'm gonna go here. And then after that, you'll have to click on Done, Test, like this. Basically, have to click on this plus button and click on new action, and then here you have to simply search for Google Calendar. And as you can see, create a reminder in Google Calendar. So depending on what you want to do with Notion and what you want to connect from Notion to Google Calendar, you're gonna have here different options. So you'll have to select it, and then here you'll have to simply complete with your information, and that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next